Hello guys, welcome to Cabello and welcome to another update on Minoxidil, on my Minoxidil journey. This is going to be month number 7 and let's get right into it. So starting with the left side, this is what it's looking like right now. Definitely a lot of progress in this area, as you can see. It's not as empty as it was last month. So this is getting pretty filled in, even underneath, getting some more growth. So moving to the middle area and mustache and chin. So you can see the connectors here are pretty much still the same. Pretty connected, still a lot of transitionals. My mustache though, is getting way better. Still transitional, but a lot more transitionals now than before. Before you can barely see it, now you can see it quite well. So yeah, every time I derma roll, I feel like I have new growth on my upper lip, so that's cool. Moving to the right side, the right connector, you can see it's getting better as well. It's not as good as this one, but it's getting better. New growth there. There's still a little patch right there that I want to fill in. Still hasn't filled in. Chin, looking pretty regular as always. Then underneath, that's what it looked like. And then the left side, again, hard for me to show, but right here, you can see it's still empty in that spot. It's getting filled in, slower than this spot for sure, but getting there. And underneath, and that's what the right side looks like. So yeah guys, got a haircut, as you can see. Cut my hair and kind of lighten up the beard a little bit. So yeah, I'm pretty comfortable rocking this little stubble thing I have going on. The only thing is my mustache. I wish it was like fuller, but hey, I'll keep it until I get some more development. Which honestly, yeah, I feel like every month I see some new growth here and there, so that's cool. It's not like I'm just stuck in one kind of stage. Doing two times a day, 5% as always. And yeah, to line up my beer, I got this thing in during Black Friday. I got it for 20 bucks. I think it's usually like 30 or 35 or something. I got it for 20. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Let me open it here. So yeah, it's like a shaver and a trimmer at the same time. So what I do is I edge like my beer up, you know, keeping it a little cleaner. Since it's very patchy right now, might as well keep it clean and looking good, as good as you can. So yeah, I'm not gonna keep you any longer. This has been month number 7, doing Minoxidil on my face. And once again, here's the last look. And yeah guys, I'll probably see you next month if I don't come up with anything else in between. And yeah, keep on growing, keep applying, and I'll see you later. Bye.